Hi everyone, my name is Shanjan. I'm product manager at HIVE UBC. Today we want to talk about VanVR app, which is virtual reality anatomy and pathology project, which is digital twinning of our UBC anatomy lab. This project principal investigator is Dr. Claudia Krebs, and she will talk about this project, what kind of problem we try to solve with this project, and a bit of introduction of VanVR app.
Hi, my name is Claudia Krebs. I'm a professor of teaching in medicine, and I want to talk to you about the VanVR app, the UBC Virtual Anatomy Lab. The creation of this lab really started in 2020 when, of course, the biggest problem that we were facing was that we didn't have access to the gross anatomy lab due to the pandemic. So we had to solve this problem because about 1,000 students needed access to this lab to ensure the continuity of education. So we solved this problem mostly with technology. So using both photogrammetry and 3D surface scanning, we scanned 3D specimens from the lab to provide 3D material for students to learn with. We also created a virtual anatomy lab shell in Unity that has the functionality to allow students to navigate this independently. We did this throughout 2020 with constant feedback from the learners and did testing to ensure that it met their needs. So we were able to ensure education in 2020. In 2021, as the access to the lab now is becoming more possible again, the problem has changed somewhat. We still want to use the lab as a digital twin to our physical lab, and now it is a question of optimizing the user experience and the user interface. And importantly, we want a customization by instructors so that they can really drive their specific learning outcomes. So that means that we want to give instructors the ability to add and remove labels independently and to create extra materials that can be linked from within the app.
And photogrammetry technology. We combine those together, so we got really high quality of specimens, digital specimen. And our XR team made the display portal and also backend for the faculties. So with this faculty portal, faculty can make their custom lab. And also we think about what is the best interaction they can use it for this project. So our lead developer Steve will explain how it works.
Hello everyone, we are HIVE. This is VanVR app, a virtual anatomy lab app, a 3D medical learning platform based on Unity WebGL. We simulate the real lab experience for students for immersive learning opportunities. In this menu, we have lab courses and 3D atlas. In lab courses, faculties have ability to customize their own labs according to their course content. And 3D atlas is a library that categorizes all the specimens. Here's an example for the specimen interactions. After selecting the specimen, students can interact with it using a mouse or a touchpad. All the interactions can be accessed through the control access panel as well. Detailed annotations are available on the specimens for students. VanVR app also provides a comparison mode, which allows students to observe two specimens at the same time. HIVE comes up with the idea of remote control system using a mobile device as a controller. A more immersive experience of rotating the specimen can be achieved. Potentially, this function can be utilized in lectures, as the faculties can use their phones to control all the students' screens. To manage the lab courses, HIVE creates a facilitator web. Faculties can create, update, and delete their own labs, and also upload any lab-related materials on any browsers. So if you want more information about VanVR app, please visit vanvrapp.azurewebsite.net. Thanks.
Thanks, Steve. This is how the future of VanVR app. From now, we will do more play testing with actual UBC medical students, and we will keep iterating this project. Also, we are thinking 3D printed the actual specimen and put gyro control sensor in it. So as you use a mobile gyro control, we are thinking about what if they are holding 3D printed specimen and rotating it. This might help the UBC remote site and also remote communities medical study. And also this semester, we try to collaborate with other labs in UBC, also outside of Canada, inside Canada as well. Behind this team, we have lots of team members actually help this project. The alpha prototype starts with Center for Digital Media, and beta prototype we keep continuously developing from last August to until now and ongoing. Thanks for listening, and we really appreciate all of those team members. And please keep touch with us and to see the future of Vancouver VR app. Thank you.